In this video, I'm going to debunk a few statements about travel bloggers and how we make money from advertisements. My name is Laura. I am the owner of Mike and Laura Travel, and I'm also the CEO of Scale Your Travel Blog, which is the #1 coaching program for those looking to start, to grow, and monetize a travel blog so that it can be a full-time business. Now, recently I was asked if the amount of money that we are making from advertisements, is that decreasing because advertisers aren't advertising with bloggers anymore? That's kind of what somebody had asked me about. And I just want to show you comparatively how much we make from advertisements on our website compared to how much we make from advertisers on YouTube. So here on our website, you can see a few advertisements. Here's one here, and then here's one here as well. This one, it looks like it's for a car dealership, and then this one, it looks like it's for Culturelle. I'm not sure what that is, but they are advertising on our website. And if you go to a specific blog post, then you can also see here's like a Nectar mattress. Scroll down, here's Viator, that they're also advertising. H&R Block, JP Morgan. So those are some of the people that are advertising with Mediavine. That's the ad network we're part of. And we can go over to our Mediavine dashboard right here. And you can see that in the last, it looks like the month of March, we, on average, this is per 1,000 page views or sessions, right? So in this case, it's sessions. We can see sessions right here. And RPM just means a calculation determining how much revenue was earned per 1,000 page views or sessions. So this is our RPM. YouTube has something very similar. Now, as you can see here, in the month of March 2023, we're earning about $32 for every 1,000 sessions that we have on our website. Okay, and you can see that sometimes it will fluctuate. Here's one that's 26. We've got some more that are up in the 33 mark, 31, 32, right? So you can see the fluctuation there. We've seen RPMs as high as $70 for every 1,000 views. It really depends on the time of year. It is the end of a quarter right now, considering it's in March. However, Q1 is usually the lowest amount of ad revenue that you would see. And so typically, let's say in June, we could see RPMs as high as 70. December is another really, really high time for ads. So during those months, instead of making, $2,500 to $3,500 every month, we're bringing in, $5,000, sometimes $6,000 a month from advertisements on our website. Now, if you jump over to YouTube here, we also have a YouTube channel. Mike is the one he takes care of our YouTube channel. He creates our videos, he posts them, he does all the SEO, all of that kind of thing. And as you can see on our YouTube channel, in the past month, we've earned about $35 for the views on our site. Now, we don't have tons and tons of views. It's definitely not that serious. We do post consistently. For the past 2 years, I guess it would be starting from October 2020 to October 2022, we posted consistently once per week, and that's the kind of growth that we saw. So it's not a lot. It was more or less an experiment, but also a place to document our journey as travel bloggers. Now, as you can see, our estimated revenue, like I said, about $35 for the past month. You can see it's from March 27th to February 28th. And then as you can see down here, we had about 11,000 views, and this will tell us our RPM, right? So revenue for every 1,000 views. Our RPM with YouTube is $3.10, and that's actually pretty typical. So what is the average RPM for travel YouTubers? Okay, so if we go in here, you can see typical RPM is about $4. So that is why we spend a heck of a lot more time growing our blog than we do growing our YouTube channel. Although we did, really work hard at it, the most we ever made from YouTube has been $65 in a month. Mediavine, it's a lot more than that. We consistently, especially in the good season, we're consistently bringing over $100 to $150 a day from just ad revenue from our website. So that's the difference between blogging and vlogging with a V. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.